morning, students. I'm here, Renu Singhal. Again, you are again with you for explaining one chapter of SST, chapter number 7. In which season we eat to like the pakoda? Do you know? Yes, in rainy season. And in which season we like to eat the ice cream? In the summer seasons. And where you wear the woolen cloths? It's winter. So we are having so many seasons are there in our country, so many type of climate are there. So today I am going to explain you the chapter number 7, climate, in SST. We are having chapter number 7, climate. So the climate is average atmosphere, which is approximately 30 to 35 years what we see the continuous is going on, that we call the climate. Like what is the climate of Gwalior? It is little bit hot comparatively Indore. So when we just measure it these so many years, then we decided this is the climate of that particular place. But if we talk about the weather is day to day changes, like it is dependent on the wind, dependent on the rain. Today wind is cool, next day wind is might be hot. Rain, today it is raining here and might be the next day it will not rain. Temperature is differ day by day, place to place, so it is related with the temperature also. Fog, might be is the present day fog is going on, so we are feeling so cold. And humidity of the particular place, like somewhere so many water vapors portions are there, we are feeling so humidity, we are getting so much sweating to us. So it is dependent on these so many particular points related to weather. So climate is the particular condition which is going on for a so long times, but the weather can be changed day by day changes. Now we will see the factors affecting the climate. Which factors are there which is affected to our climate? Why our Gwalior climate is different, and why the Indore climate is different, why the Bhopal climate is different, and different cities have the different climate. So the first reason is this: distance from the sea. Why distance from the sea? The moderate temperature. We are having the moderate temperature, means to day by day it can be changed dependent on some factors. Land heats and cools faster. जो land होता है हमारा, it cools and heats faster than comparatively sea, means water. Daytime, what is going on? The water, it is just because of the heat of the sun, it get the warm air. Warm air always time go upside, and from the land side portion always time the cool air come to the coastal areas portions. So the coastal areas are most of the cool, because the warm air always time goes upside, and the land, from the land portions the cool air comes and take the place of the warm air here. So the coastal areas are always time cool. The second factor is distance from equator. Equator is a line which is not so easily we can see, but it is here. When we see the sun temperature and sunlight comes to the equator, so those places are the near the equator, they will be hot, and those places which are far places from there, they will be cool places. So it is dependent on the what is the distance from the equator, which are coming near they will be feel hot, and which are far places are there they will be cool. Now the altitude. Altitude means the higher places which is on the height, like the hilly areas, Himalayas, they always time be cool. So hilly areas are cool, and those portions are downside, which places are downside, they feel the hot places. We can say the India's climate is tropical monsoon, means sometime it is cool and sometime it is hot also. Now we will see about the seasons that I have explained before this about the climate. Climate is just, it is measured in the 25 to 30 years, but in the seasons we will talk about, it is particular weather for the 2-3 months. In our country, so many seasons are there which comes only for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. So these are called the seasons, and you all know about the seasons very well. Like some summer days are there, winters days are there, spring seasons is going on there, rainy seasons are going on there. So many seasons we are having, but mainly 5 seasons we know about our country. State of temperature depends on is the condition of weather. Rainfall, sometimes rainfall is going on anywhere, then weather will be cool. Sometimes the weather is hot, might be in the daytime the weather is hot, in the evening we are feeling the cold also sometimes if it is going on rain somewhere. Now, somewhere it is going the heavy rainfall and somewhere it is the less rainfall. So, depends on the condition of these facts, the different type of weather may be possible in the same day also. In the morning today we are feeling just here it is feeling so hot, but in the evening might be it is going on so cold. Nowadays it is going on the same way. So, I am explaining here the 5 main seasons of our country. As you all know very well also, the first is summer, which is going on in the present time. It is the March to June. The time period of summer seasons is March to June. It starts from the March and at like the June, because after June the rainy season starts. Now it is the hottest months. What is the hottest months of the summer season? Most of the May and June are the hottest comparatively other months. Days are longer. Summer days में दिन बहुत लंबे होते हैं and the nights are shorter. And when we come to the winter, it is just opposite there. Hot and dry air. What we call it the hot and dry air? आपकी मम्मा भी कहती होंगी don't go outside, take cover of your body. If you go outside in the daytime in the summer, it is called loo. मम्मा बोलती हैं लू लग जाएगा आपको. And the southern part is less hot. Why it is less hot? Because it is surrounded by the sea. It is surrounded by the water bodies. So which place is surrounded by the water bodies? It has the less hot temperature. So we are having these points about remember to the summer, that March to June it is the time period of this. Hottest months are May and June. Days are longer than comparatively nights are shorter. Hot and dry air, we call it loo. Southern part is less hot comparatively others because it is surrounded by the water bodies. Now I will explain you. The second is monsoon. Monsoon starts from the June up to September. Like it is going on in this month, June is going on. Before this, the summers was going on. Now the June will start, then it will start the rainy season. We can call it the monsoon also, which is agar we will see in this time, then monsoon has come in the June. It means summer days are finishing up to June, and after this in the June also the monsoon starts. So the time period of monsoon is June and it will go up to September. Farming depends on the monsoon. Farming is only possible when the weather will come to the monsoon, when the rain will come, then the farmer will get the water for this farming. So for the farming, it is totally depend on the monsoon. When the monsoon will come properly, so the farming will be good. Himalayas and coastal regions are having the heavy rainfall. Do you know why? Because Himalayas are the hilly portions, and in the hilly portions we can get the heavy rainfall because it is just nearby the plants also, and the coastal regions are related with the water bodies also, so they also get the heavy rainfall. Now we will talk about the desert area. You all know very well, in the desert area it is very less rainfall because the plants are also not there, the muds and clay and the earth is also dry, so they get the little rainfall there. Now we can see about the Gujarat and Rajasthan. Gujarat and Rajasthan also have the lesser rainfall because it is also related with the desert area. It is just nearby the desert area. Now we will see the next our season is winter. Everyone knows about the winter. We wear the woolen cloths. We can't eat the ice cream. We just eat the only hot cheese, hot things like coffee, tea, and some spicy foods also we like in the winters, and so many vegetables also come in the winter seasons. We can get the more proteins and vitamins in the winter season because every type of things you can eat easily and it will not harm to you. But in the summer season we have to think that we should not eat it, we should not eat it. Now the timing of the winter seasons are November to February, means it will start from November and might be it will go up to February. Depends on, sometimes it doesn't go like this, but most of probably it will go to November to February. Now in the winter season it is just opposite with the summer seasons. Nights are longer and days are shorter. We have learnt in the summer season it was just opposite. Nights were shorter there and the days were longer there. But in the winter season we have seen nights are longer and days are shorter here. Now the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu get the rainfall in these seasons. In the winter seasons, the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu get the rainfall. You can see in this time, if you will go to Tamil Nadu and south area, you will see the heavy rainfall was going on in the winter seasons if you will go in that time. Now we will learn the next season, spring season. Do you know the spring season? We call it in Hindi Basant. Basant means to say everywhere you will get the flowers and new leaves in the plants. Everywhere green, looking so beautiful in the spring season, and it just come after the winter season. Winter season may you will see the always time the leaves are not so well, but after just this season, winter, the spring season will come and you can see so many new different and beautiful plants and leaves in your surroundings. Plant bear the new leaves and flower, means before that it will dull, downsides all be plants, leaves and flowers. So in the spring season the new leaves will come, the new flowers will come, and you have also might be feeling full that sometimes the spring season will come, you can see the yellow type flowers, basant. You might be in the school, we have sometime the worship also of the Saraswati ji. The name of this festival is Basant Panchami. We celebrate it in the spring season because in this time the flowers came, new flowers come in this season. So we celebrate it, and with the worship of the Saraswati ji also with the flowers of yellow type flowers. And sometimes you have seen the different type of insects are also there which comes on the yellow type flowers. इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं मऊ. So spring season, always time we like it very much because always time the greenery and flowers come in this season. Now the last season of our is autumn. Autumn comes after the spring season. It is just after the monsoon. Monsoon means the rainy season. So just autumn come after the monsoon season, rainy season. It comes between the September to October. The timing of the autumn season is September to October. In this season the leaves and plants doesn't feel happy because they just fall down, but it is also the rules of the seasons, rules of the life, then some will come and some will go. So we have to suppose the field, we have to just follow it, the rules of the life. The season of harvesting crops, for the harvesting it is good season because we just harvest the crops. So for the farmers it is also the important seasons. Somewhere the plants and flowers are decaying, the leaves are decaying, they are falling down, but for the farmers this is the harvesting seasons. They will just grow, they will just harvesting the crops, and the next season the crops will come, the farming will done there. So the time of revise. We have studied in this chapter about the climate and weather. The climate is this: when we just measure the temperature, measure the atmosphere for the 30 to 35 years, it calls the climate. Then what is the climate of one city? Maybe the different climate of the other city. But we have talk about the weather. The weather condition is related with the 2, 3, 4 months. Some months are there. So we are having related with the seasons also. We are having 5 main seasons. Some other seasons are also there, but the 5 main seasons are here of our country is summer. We all know about the summer. We wear the cotton cloths in the summer. We feel the hot, so we use the cooler, AC, we use the chill water, and chill drinks are there. Some ice creams are there. We want to eat the ice cream in this season. So summer season, do you know about it? Yes, all times we want the chill things, cool things, and we want to drink cool things, we want to eat cool things. Now we will talk about the monsoon. Monsoon means to say the rainy season. We just enjoy in this rainy season also. Everyone likes to wait in the rainy season. We just wait curiously. When the rainy season will come, we will just go to the fun on the roof. And now the winter season. Winter season is also very healthy season. We can eat so many vegetables, we can eat so many types of healthy food in there. Nothing is harmful for us in the winter season, because the digestive system is going on properly in the winter seasons, and this time we can eat different type of things. It is not harmful season. We can wear so many clothes, we can go outside but with the wearing clothes. But in the summer season, we just don't feel so comfort. Now, after winter, the spring season will come. Spring season means everywhere you can see the greenery, so many type of flowers, everything beautiness of the nature. Now, the spring after come, the autumn season comes after the spring season. Autumn season means to say it is sometime it is good for us and sometime it is bad for us also. When we think about the plants, it doesn't look nice so times in the autumn season, because the leaves are falling down, the flowers are falling down. So we can see in the nature it looks some dull comparatively spring season. But for the farmers, from the farming, it is good, because this is the time for the harvesting. Farmers harvest the crops in this season, so in the next season they will get the crops. Thank you. We have done this chapter explanation, and now we will do the book exercise of this chapter. Now it's time to do the book exercise. See tick the correct answer. The first question is, what kind of a season in the monsoon? In the monsoon season, what we see? Dry, cold or rainy? It is rainy season. The water will come, the rainfall will come, so it is rainy season. The second question, during which season do we have a number of flowers? So many flowers are there. In which season? Can you imagine? Winter, autumn or spring? It is spring season, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं बसंत. Now the third question, in which season do we have longer days? I have explained you in the chapter revision time, chapter explanation time, that in the summer days are longer and nights are shorter, and in the winter it is just opposite. So summer season we have a longer days. Next question, what is the hot, dry wind called that blows during the summer season? I have explained you. Your mother told to you, don't go outside. You will affected with the loo. Yes, it is loo. The hot, dry wind in the summer season, we called it the loo. Now, fill in the blanks. The first is, in India, the rainy season continue till. इंडिया में कब तक रेनी सीजन होता है? डू यू नो? अप टू सेप्टेम्बर. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जस्ट जून. Might be in some areas it will start from the July also, but it will go up to September, because after September the October will come, and in the October the winter season will start. Now, which is the hot and dry wind? I have explained you before this. You have seen it is loo. The two short seasons are, you have just seen the time period of the winter also, time period of the summers also, spring also, autumn also. The other seasons are having the 3-4 months, but the spring and autumn season, these are the shorter seasons in the 5 main seasons. The time period of spring and time period of autumn is less comparatively other 3 seasons. The winds which blows from the west during winters are called. It is called the strong winds. Now time to matchings. Match the following: desert, monsoon, autumn and ground nuts. Do you know groundnuts? You like to eat it. And the second, wait, winters, hot and dry, and September, October. Now see, the desert area is related with the hot and dry because in the desert area, no plants, so many plants are not there, no, the less water is there, so hot and dry atmosphere is there. Now we will talk about the monsoon. Monsoon is related with the wet area. Wet means to say you will feel the rainfall was going on there, so you will wait some time if you go outside. You will enjoy it also. Your mama will say don't go, but you will go. I also enjoy it. Autumn season. Autumn season is related to September and October season because it will come in this duration in our country. Groundnuts comes in the winters. Might be your grandmother or your some other elders said to you that you should eat the groundnuts in the winter days. It will give you the hotness in your body. So the groundnuts are good for you. In the winter season we eat it because summer season it gives us hotness to our body. So we should eat it in the winter seasons.